In this ALERE demonstration, I'll discuss the configuration module. The configuration module is designed to allow order configurations to be created when the BOM module is not present. This mechanism allows specific options and quantities of items to be configured within the sales order process as if it were an engineered-to-order BOM. Item configurations and options are created and maintained in the Header tab. You may right-click to add, edit, or delete choices or inventory items comprising the finished good. Product configurations that are built for stock or commonly sold may be predefined and assigned finished good part numbers under the Config tab. Entering an item number on an order associated with the BOM with modular or variable components automatically displays the SOC screen. The SOC screen displays a list of choices which may be used. Should a selection have a dependent choice, that choice is added to the list and must be made. Once the item is fully configured and saved, the configuration is compared against any predefined configurations. The configurator will recalculate the price and cost based on the features and options chosen each time the order is saved. The exception to this is when the configuration matches a finished good part number. In that instance, the price and cost of the item is taken from inventory, and the part number of the match is automatically substituted for the one on the order. If there is no match, the base item will appear as a line item in the sales order. When the BOM module is present, a wide variety of costing and pricing rules can be established and used when a new configuration is entered. That concludes this demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.